Twitch is a gaming platform.
Is that like My Face or what is it? Face Giggle? What is it?
Face something or other. Yeah, Twitch is a streaming platform for gamers.
So it's like a tweeter? What is this thing?
See, we're actually...
I'm not good with watching games. They
it's
watch
for
other
people play games. But
so they don't play soccer. They play soccer on TV.
They play soccer on TV,
watch it.
and other people watch them playing soccer on TV. And it's actually not called soccer. It is called football.
Brave new world.
Well, football's not... Over here's not really football. I mean, football's like the Cowboys. Right?
No, dude, no.
Football
is Man City.
No.
Yeah.
I would rather go to Female City, Man City. What's that about?
That's Manchester City.
Oh.
Manchester City.
Yeah, go to the other one.
Yeah, no, Female City would be a lot more fun.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Let's
Man
be
City,
honest.
it's like, nah, I'm good.
By the way, just so people know, I'm streaming this. I'm capturing this.
This isn't on the interwebs, is it?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, my
it's
gosh.
live right now.
I hear they've got computers on the
I went live. I wasn't going to go for another hour,
gosh.
but Buck came over and started smiling.
New world.
And so we're
Hey, Andre,
going live now.
We're live. Hi, everybody. I'm Buck.
I was just getting things set up,
That's
but
right, yeah,
what the
and
heck?
This is my buddy.
I like him.
Okay, well, I've got work to do.
No, you don't. You don't do work.
I've got work to give other people to do.
Ah, okay. That I believe.
I do that.
That I believe.
This is a handy little thing. What is this little guy there?
That's your microphone.
Hello. Is this thing on?
It is on.
Check.
Yeah.
Is it like it's a good one? Because why don't you just use the one in your little computer?
Because this one's better. It's very directional, so it's picking up our voices, whereas this one picks up.
Oh, I see.
The planet.
I see. It's good to have direction.
Yeah, it is.
I get
good
direction a lot. I've been married 33
I
years.
don't. I was going to say, I don't doubt you get a lot of
I've
direction.
been getting a lot of direction from my GPS, my wife, daughter, mother.
Yeah.
Basically, if a female tells me to do something, I do it.
Yeah, well, same here.
It's just safer. It's just safer.
But then, of course, you run into people like Jess Borland who will tell you to do things.
Well, I still do that. She
too.
tells me I do it. So. All right, well, I'm going to go find some coffee
Cool,
and get to work, or, again, give other people work.
Yeah, I was going to say,
It's
give
great
other
chatting
people work,
with
because
you.
we know that you don't actually work.
Well, I know. But
Are you guys really filming something right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, no lie.
Bob's all
No.
nervous.
This is intentionally. I've been doing.
You're actually filming a live thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're now on the webs.
You're now on the
okay.
webs
Oh, my
live. Look at him run. No, Bob. No. Stay right here. Because the idea is that what I'm doing.
Sorry.
So everybody, Bob Ward.
Hey, what's up, man?
Planet Earth.
Yeah.
What I've been doing is doing these Twitch streams live at some of the events. I've just started trying this out, and it's just a way to like open up the event to other people. So now you guys are.
cool.
I was just setting things up in the speaker room, so now you're seeing what it's like in the speaker room.
This is really what it's like, yeah.
Yeah,
It's actually a hotel room. Don't let him lie to you. There's a whole other thing going on.
That's pretty cool, Grant. Yeah, sorry, I didn't.
No, it's
I
not
thought
that
you were
cool.
joking.
But, no, I'm serious.
You
It's
actually,
just,
you have the mic and everything.
yeah.
Okay.
We're really doing. I've got real cameras, but you can't carry it. I carry around the laptop, and that's hard enough.
Sure, of
But you
course.
try to balance a camera on top of the laptop
Yeah,
while
it's
you're carrying
impressive.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you get older, it's harder.
Yeah,
it's harder to carry.
walking.
Yeah,
Walking.
It's already a video
that's
bomb.
already hard. Yeah.
Yeah, no
And
kidding.
you hanging that thing off your walker, that was impressive. That's awesome that you did that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, Grant. Sorry.
Well,
Okay.
no, you're not.
All
Don't
right.
be sorry. This
I'm gonna
is
go.
this is intentionally supposed to
I
be
love
wild.
you.
Yeah, no.
I love you.
You too.
I'm sure
Thanks for
it's
doing
wild.
this.
I'm sure it is.
He's like, oh
Any
my
guy can say
god.
will be held against me or whatever. I don't know. Now it's time to leave. How did I realize I was live?
Well, it wasn't gonna be live, but Grant Vision. Well, it's better than Twitchy Fritchy. Somebody else said so. I like Grant Vision.
It's like smell-o-vision, only worse.
Okay, well, so the plan wasn't to go live for another hour, but hey, here we are. So we'll just keep going. Now, let me just show you around the speaker room and all the people that we've just irritated. Hang on. You'll get your turn. You be patient. Sandy, and that's Alan.
Hello, Grant.
And back in the background there is Andre. Hello. I like Andre. He's a cool guy. Say hi to the planet.
Hi, everybody.
Cool. All right, hang on. Let's go get John. This is what it's like in the speaker room. It's just people being quiet, and then one irritating person shows up and messes up everything for everyone. Hi, my name is Grant.
Hi, Grant.
Wow. Yeah, I'm just dropping stuff. So everyone, the microphone horrific thing you just heard is me dropping it.
Hi, world.
This is John.
Hi.
John, who do you work for?
Denny Charity Associates.
Damn, I'm jealous. I just wanted to let you say it so I could whine. That's cool. All right, let's leave the speaker room alone. These guys are going to kill me. All right, let's go out into the thing proper. So this is taking place in Manchester, England right now. And the event itself is being held in a old train station that's, used to be abandoned and has now been repurposed. Hey guys.
Hey.
Say hi to Planet Earth.
Hello, Planet Earth.
Yeah, hey. Yeah.
See you on YouTube.
Right, yeah, eventually you'll be on YouTube. Right now we're on Twitch. This is live.
Oh, yeah, I thought it.
Yeah. So, any of the people in orange shirts are volunteers at SQL Bits. And by the way, we're at SQL Bits. I didn't plan on starting all this stuff, but I had Buck right there, so I figured I'd get it. Now here, hang on, here's one of my favorite volunteers.
Hello.
Excellent.
Yeah, I've got the message.
Say hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
How's Bits been?
Bits has been amazing.
I
Tiring,
agree.
but amazing.
Yeah, this is one of the organizers of Bits. She's on the committee. She helps run it, and she's awesome.
Thank you very much.
I know. And this is one of the volunteers. She works for Microsoft. We like her anyway. So I'm walking out into the hall now. So out here right now, I'm not going to be able to walk into the rooms. I can show it to you later. But we got the different vendors are teaching stuff and showing things as they go along. And then, I have a preference for the best vendor organization out there. Yeah, exactly. See? Really, we really are. It's Redgate software. So this is, we're not in a break right now. Most people right now are in the session. My plan was to start this right before a session started, but Buck interfered gleefully. We got other vendors. It's a pretty big hall. Now last night was the party. You guys missed that. So if anybody looks really, really rocky today, it's because they had way too much fun last night.
Ah, there you go.
So I've walked you up here now to the community corner. This is the community corner, all the different various user groups, chapters, whatnot, and also a representative from Pass. Pass. What does Pass do?
Are we live right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is this is Twitch stream live.
Okay.
Here, let me turn the mic around. There you go.
Yeah. So PASS is a global community of data professionals all around the world. Free to join as a member and connect with fellow data professionals.
Awesome.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm the past president, so I'm joking when I'm asking her what. This is we're live Twitch stream right now.
Hi.
He's also one of the committee members for the Bits, so we thank him for all the work he's done because
It's a
it's been
pleasure.
an amazing event
You enjoyed
again.
the party?
Oh yeah, party was awesome.
Excellent.
I
We're
didn't
doing
Twitch
some live
this
streaming,
live
I've
party
gotta
for a reason.
Good morning.
Good morning. So there's other people around. Hey, say hi to the world.
Hello, world.
Live Twitch stream, so
Oh.
yeah, you're going. That's Peter Ward from Wardy IT. Other vendors. I'm walking down the other side of the vendor hall right now. Opportunity, coffee, all kinds of fun stuff going on. You can see this stuff in the background, SQL Bits Speakeasy. Those guys.
I'll definitely take a look at our website.
These guys. These guys. I'm friends with these guys even though we're competitors. They're awesome. They're really cool. They're nice guys. I like them. This is Idira. God. Andy.
Hello, who am I talking to?
Everybody.
Hello, everybody. How are you all doing today?
Cool. This just I'm doing a Twitch live stream and recording.
Oh, excellent.
And it'll go on to YouTube eventually. but it's just giving people what it's like to be at SQL Bits for all the people who aren't here.
What is it like to be at SQL Bits? It's a tremendous experience. That's what it's like.
Well, here, hang on, sit down for a second.
All right, outstanding.
Because I started this whole thing in the speaker room. I'm getting set up and practicing,
Right
just
on,
making
right
sure
on.
I'm getting it all ready. Because I wanted to start, during a break or right before a break, and then have the whole crowd and everything.
Sure.
And so I'm getting set up, and then who just like runs across the room and jumps in front of the camera?
Jess?
No, no, it's a good first guess.
Okay.
Second guess,
Oh, gee, I don't know. Rob Sewell?
Buck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Buck comes in. We're not recording, and he just starts performing, and I was like, okay, hang on, I hit the button.
Yes.
And so we started.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Because it was just like, the Buck Show. So you have to start when the Buck Show goes on.
Yep.
So,
Absolutely.
anyway.
Absolutely.
All right, well, I'll keep going. Andy, everyone.
Hello.
He does work for Century One. They are nice guys. They make okay software. It's not,
Yeah, and he makes.
I'm teasing. It's nice stuff. It's not like the other two that I made faces about.
We're frenemies.
Yeah, absolutely. Cool, thanks.
Cheers.
So Microsoft's got their own little booth right here. Hey, how's it going? Oh, God, look. Buck again. He's probably assigning work to people. Oh, look, there's another one of the organizers. Let's go bug him. Well, thank you very much. Just putting you live on Twitch, and it'll be on YouTube later.
Hello Twitch, hello YouTube.
Been promoting SQL Bits and saying how awesome it is. Great event, a lot of fun.
The main question is, why aren't you here, joining in the fun?
Yeah, no kidding. That really is the question. But that's also why I'm doing this, is try to share it with people. We started in the speaker room by accident, but Buck got involved anyway.
And you managed to progress beyond Buck? Wow, that's good work.
Yeah. Well, I think he had to go do something, or we'd still be there.
Lucky escape.
Anyway, it's just showing people around. So
Enjoy.
yeah, thanks. Oh, and by the way, thanks for organizing everything.
Thanks for being
Appreciate it. Proof positive they let anyone in. Yeah, it's a live stream.
Okay.
Hundreds of people, thousands. No, probably 2. But anyway, then it'll go on YouTube. Then it'll be more. So hang on, let's go back over here, because I want to make sure Sanders on the camera. Sanders is a good friend of mine. We met on SQL Cruise.
Yep.
And everyone in the back is really, really jealous that they haven't been on SQL Cruise, because it's amazing.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Cool.
So next time.
What do you spoke today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. What did you speak on?
DBA tools.
DBA tools. What's DBA tools?
DBA tools is a PowerShell module that enables DBAs to do a lot of automation and make your life easier.
Oh,
So
cool.
it's-
All right. Nice.
I was in the session and I tweeted a note from my notebook that I took that said, wow.
You're drinking Big Toe?
No, I'm doing live stream. Come on in. Say hi.
Hello.
And then it'll go to YouTube later. But just promoting, SQL Bits, just how awesome it is here, because it is. And see all these guys in the orange shirts, whatever, something.
It's British slang, it's okay.
Yeah. They're volunteers, and so they're doing all the work to make the thing happen. After the committee does nothing, they throw all the hard stuff down to these guys. He's laughing because I'm getting myself in trouble if anybody watches this. Hey.
Never actually bumped into you.
Oh, hi. Oh, cool. Sorry. This is Matt from Century One. We just met.
We have met many times
Online, right.
But it's all good.
Cool. So you only did the one session?
Yep.
Yeah, I had 2, but one of them was Redgate session. So
Yeah, but you're more important than I am.
No, we pay for things. Cool. All right, I'm going to show them a couple more things. Here, we're going to walk around. We're going to look at the room. So I'm not going to go in. I don't want to interfere, but we're going to walk up to where they're at. It's an interesting setup. Bits changes the setup all the time. They're always experimenting with length, time settings, half day. They do a lot of fun stuff. All right, so I'm going to be a little bit more quiet as we walk up to this, because I don't want to interfere with sessions that are ongoing. No, disconnected.
Oh no!
Wow, sorry about that.
It's okay.
Hey, reconnection successful. We're back. Cool. All right. Well, I'll leave you alone. I just wanted to, you want to say anything about?
No, we were just kind of admiring. I don't know if you looked at these demo booths. So I was thinking I might do another Azure Data Studio session in the booth at lunchtime.
Oh, cool. Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
I love how they've got the way they've set up overflows. So like when any time a session room fills up, they've got the thing over there. That's cool too.
Yeah, that's lovely.
But all right, so cool. Yeah, if you guys do a demo thing, maybe I'll swing by at one point.
Okay, awesome.
We'll see. Cool. Have a good one. But you're missing it. This is SQL Bits. I mean, this is a lot of fun. I'm gonna stop by the Redgate booth to see if anybody wants to say anything. All right, so Redgate.
Hey.
How's Bits been?
It's fantastic. Insanely fun, insanely interesting. Yeah, lots of people with lots of problems who are solving them in clever ways.
Oh, awesome. Now, so what's Redgate doing at SQL Bits?
We are helping people solve their challenges with monitoring. We're helping them solve issues with creating pre-production environments, and we're helping them deliver value to customers whilst protecting data.
Woohoo!
Yay.
All right. And so Bits, about the same as, SQL Saturday or something like that?
Oh, Bits is massive. If you haven't been to Bits, go to Bits. It's
Okay.
just so good.
Yeah, cool. All right. Well, I'll leave you guys alone. I keep grabbing people and saying making them say things. It's just horrible. Let's see. Who else can we bug? Oh, I know. We'll go back to the speaker room. Bear with me. We'll be there in a minute. It's a big space. There's a lot of walking involved. This is the room. I did a pre-con day before yesterday, and I did 2 sessions yesterday. I did the pre-con in here, where they actually had walls and stuff. Cool. All right, we're back in the speaker room. We have to be quiet, because otherwise they get upset. Andy, what are you talking on?
I am talking on getting your database off to a right start.
What's that mean?
It's fundamentals of setting up your database right from the beginning, so that when you scale, you're going to be able to scale properly and
cool.
perform properly.
All right, cool. How many bits have you been to?
This is my second.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And did you wear a costume to the party?
I did. Had a big mask.
He did.
Very hot, but it was pretty cool.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it was. It was awesome. Hang on. We're going to move. Thanks, Andy. Hi, Alan.
Hi, Greg.
Alan, what are you talking about today?
Finding and fixing your troublesome queries. It's mostly finding. It's
Nobody
just
does query tuning.
No. The session actually isn't query tuning. It's the tools that you have to find the problem queries.
Dude, I did a day on that on Wednesday.
I know. I'm doing 50 minutes.
Yeah, good luck with that. What are you going to show?
The first thing I show, and it's something that people have forgotten about, is where you do a replay trace.
Yeah.
Using trace, because you have to do this, but you also gather performance data with Perfmon, and you can pull them together in Profiler and link the performance counters to the actual queries.
Yeah, it's the
right?
one. That's the one thing I do miss.
Right, and I talked to Vicky Harp on
we just met Vicky.
I talked to Vicky on Thursday, saying this would be really nice for extended events.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to put in a feature request in GitHub for the Azure Data Studio.
Oh, cool. Well, let me know when it's there. I'll definitely vote it up, and then I'll put a link on this when it
But
eventually.
Right now, that technology outside of a third-party tool is only available using Trace and Profiler.
Right.
Even the third-party tools are still using Trace, by the way. Legacy systems that don't really do extended events, like SQL 2008. You know, the majority of companies are still using the SQL 2008
Oh,
out there.
I know. They never. Lots of people never wanted to
Well,
upgrade
it's
to
the licensing
2012.
model.
Right? Oh,
It's
I know.
it's the
Oh, I know.
licensing model.
Yeah, I know. I agree.
So,
although this year that all changes.
yes, well, if that matters to you, and it should, but it doesn't always.
Always, right? Yeah, I get it. The only thing I would say is make sure that we all tell it. Friends don't let friends upgrade to 2014. Right?
Correct. Go to 2017.
Yeah, or 16. At least 16.
At least 16. Go to 2017.
But 17 is better.
Is better.
Yeah.
Way better.
And 2019, we got the announcement
yeah.
will get released sometime in 2019.
Yes. Amazing.
That was an amazing announcement. Really?
In the second half of the year. That narrows it down.
Yeah, it does narrow it down. It's cool. Anyway, all right, I'll leave you alone.
That's all right.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Let's see. Let's plug other people. Do you mind if I interrupt you?
Yes.
Okay. Then I won't. Oh, okay. I'm not going to get in trouble. Nah, my reaction's pretty easy. I'm not going to step on anybody. Oh.
Video, okay.
Yep. What are you talking on today?
I'm talking about the security things which are new or newish in SQL 2019 coming and in Azure.
Oh, really? There's new security coming in 2019. I haven't even. I'm seriously saying, really?
Yeah, there
Cool.
are some things definitely in Azure, pretty cool things actually. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. And how many bits have you been to? Is this your first one?
Oh no.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
Maybe 5 or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. See, I knew that one. I didn't know about the security stuff.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Cool. Awesome. I'll leave you alone.
Thanks.
Thanks. Thank you. I'd like to give everybody a chance for a little self-promotion. Oh, it's your turn.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. Oh, crap. Hang on. I'm going to go this side. I don't have to sit. Don't rearrange things for me. But I'm still sitting because I'm old. Oh, that feels better. Are you talking this year?
I am hosting 3 sessions. There's a PFE Q&A, PFE and consultants. So
Oh, cool.
So we're going to talk about, it's unplugged, so we're not going to record it. So you have to be here, otherwise you've missed it.
You have to be here? You won't be able to see it later? Oh, everyone who's watching. Darn.
Then, so we've got PFE consultants and some CSAs to, if people have got questions or they want to know how to do things, we can give them kind of, some nice advice.
Right.
And, give them
Detailed advice from Microsoft. Yeah, that's awesome.
And brutally as honest as we can be.
Right.
Because it's not being recorded.
Right, yeah,
And
yeah.
there's no evidence.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah,
important
yeah.
bit.
So this is when you start to get the real dirt about how things work. I didn't say that.
And
I
then
did.
I'm helping or hindering Jonathan Allen in his PowerShell session.
Yeah.
So I'm going to help him out and be his sidekick.
Okay.
So he's going to run through up to 20 PowerShell scriptlets.
Oh, cool.
But there's not enough time. So we're going to poll the audience, see what they want to cover, and then we're going to get through them, and I'm going to heckle him as much as possible.
Awesome. Cool.
And then I'm hosting the Lightning Talks.
Oh, the lightning talks. They are fun. Every once in a while a little and every once in a little dangerous, but they are fun.
How dare you? You appreciated the puppet show that I put on. SQL Bits. Which one was that?
Oh God, that was
that
awesome.
London? Or was that?
Yeah, that was amazing.
I think you said you were speechless.
Yeah, I was.
I took that as a compliment.
It was a compliment. I was like, well, now I have seen. I don't know if I've seen it all, but I've seen a lot more than I had before.
I have.
It was something. Is it recorded?
No, they did, but they fouled up the recordings.
Oh, that's a shame, man.
Right.
You guys, once again, you had to have been there. SQL Bits. It's
a reason to turn up.
Right. Yeah.
I did a very similar session in Cork.
Oh yeah.
Where it wasn't me with the puppet; it was the puppet on its own. The puppet took the entire session.
Cool.
Yeah. That was not recorded either.
Oh, well, that's probably good. Awesome. Well, we're going to leave the puppets and talk to somebody else. Thanks a lot. Who else wants to volunteer? Or voluntold? He's got his headphones on. He has his headphones on. You don't. All right. Oh, no, this is easy. Come on. This is friendly. All right. Yeah, sure. What are you talking about?
Live streamed? Oh.
Yeah. This is live streamed, yeah. There's probably like one person watching it, so don't worry.
Yeah, but still not popular at all.
Yeah. No, on Twitch I am not popular at all. No, but a lot of people will watch it on YouTube later. So, what are you talking on?
Monitoring Power BI and driving automation through monitoring Power BI.
Why would you monitor Power BI? I mean, what's...
Yeah. Who monitors stuff?
Yeah, no kidding. Nobody makes monitoring tools.
Who wants to know why people, which data sets are people accessing, and who wants to know what users are using their pro licenses? That's not important at all. No. Data compliance.
Actually,
what's that?
It's starting to sound important the way he talks about it. The way he's putting it, it sounds like you should actually listen.
Yeah, it is. It is quite important. I'm doing this at several conferences this year. Apparently people really think it is important.
Yeah, it sounds important, especially for the auditing, who has access to what and who's accessing what and all that kind of stuff. Yeah.
And even if you, you might or might not know, the auditing data that you get from Power BI and from the Office 365 audit logs actually, it's not anonymized, so it might contain sensitive information.
Ooh.
If you do anonymize the data that you get from there, you can actually spread it throughout the company as a Power BI data set.
Oh, wow.
And increase awareness of who is accessing what and which departments are still lagging behind in Power BI adoption.
Oh, name and shame.
Yeah, but it does help you because it knows it helps you know which departments you need to focus on.
Right,
next.
yeah, who needs help and who could use some guidance and mentoring, that kind of thing. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that really sounds good. I mean, that really sounds awesome.
does.
So I hope it goes well for you.
Me too.
I'll leave you alone. Thanks a lot. Sorry to bug you. So someone just walked in. I'm gonna go bushwhack him. Oh no! Don't start your act just yet, Mika. Nico Nagerbauer! It's Nico Nagerbauer!
Hi, it's me.
If you want to know something about Column Store, don't ask this man. Okay. That's everything I just said. Just reverse it, and everything's cool.
Yes, don't talk to Nico about the Column Store. That's what he said.
Oh, are you talking here? Are you talking at Bits?
I did already.
Oh, did you? What'd you talk on?
ETL.
Cool.
And what is it? Batch mode for the row store. Flawless victory.
Yeah, no kidding. Batch mode for row store is exciting stuff. All right, let's walk back out on the floor, and then we'll sign this thing off, and I'll be done for the day, and I can be really lazy. Yay! I like being lazy. Just see if there's anybody else we need to bug or say hi to. Already done those guys. Huh. Let's see who else is around. I was hoping to be here when a session let out so you guys could see the crowd. These are my friends from Koyo.
Who are we talking to?
Everybody. What's Koyo do?
Hey Grant, so we help customers modernising their data platforms and managing them once we've got them there.
They're actually really smart and fun and nice, so worth talking to. Anything else you want to say about Koyo before I leave you alone?
No, just
because I'm really rude.
Enjoying the event here at SQL Bits. Great
Awesome.
announcements going on. Fun people to be around like yourself, Grant.
Ah, cool. I owe him money, don't worry. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Hey, do you know when the session lets out? How much more time? 9:30. 25 more minutes? Yeah, okay, guys. I'm not waiting for another half an hour, so we're going to wrap this up. We're going to end right here at the Redgate booth. Thanks for watching. This has been SQL Bits. I mean, this is what it's like here. You're not here if you're watching this stuff, so therefore you missed out. Find it next year. Make sure you show up. Get involved with it. It's a lot of fun. Thanks a lot. Stop stream.